I finished the house numbers with the rhinestones and I painted. First, I used alcohol ink, silver alcohol ink, and painted this board. But then I used a silver acrylic metallic and painted it. Then I sprayed it with several coats of a UV, not resin, a spray, a clear acrylic spray. And then I mounted the numbers to this plaque. My one is a little off, it looks like. But now I think I need to drill holes in it, which I should have done at first so that it can be attached to a home. Or I got to figure out how to do the backing to hang it up. But here it is. I think it turned out pretty for a first time. I'm going to get some more numbers and practice.